Say how old you are or when is your birthday in French. Lesson 8, French for Beginners. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Atiye and in this video, we'll learn how to say our age or our birthday and ask someone else about his or her age and birthday. So let's get started as usual with a simple dialogue. Bonjour. Hello. Bonjour. Tu vas bien? Hi. Are you all right? Oui, je suis très bien. Yeah, I'm very good. Parce que aujourd'hui, c'est mon anniversaire. Because today is my birthday. Wow! Joyeux anniversaire! Happy birthday! Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much. Donc, tu as quel âge aujourd'hui? So, how old are you today? Aujourd'hui, j'ai 24 ans. Today, I'm 24 years old. Tu es né quand exactement? When were you born exactly? Je suis né le 27 juillet en 1997. I was born on the 27th of July, 1997. Tu as quel âge means how old are you, but it is a friendly question, it is an informal question, and the formal one is vous avez quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? Tu as quel âge? Vous avez quel âge mean how old are you? And the answer, for example, you wanna say I'm 30 years old. You say simply j'ai 30 ans. J'ai 30 ans means I'm 30 years old. But what does mean j'ai? And what does mean en in French? J'ai 30 ans means I am 30 years old. J'ai is the combination of je plus et. Je is your subject, means I, and et is your verb. En in French means years. Like in English, you say I am 30 years old. In French, you need en in the end of your phrase. And you say j'ai 30 ans. Et is the verb avoir. Avoir means to have in French. The difference between English and French for this kind of phrase is that in English you say I am 30 years old, so you use to be verb, but in English you say the synonym of to have. You say kind of I have 30 years old, something like that, and you need to use avoir in French. Avoir is an irregular verb and the conjugation is important. J'ai, I have. Tu as, you have. Il a, he has. Elle a, she has. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont, they have. Elles ont, they have. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a. Nous avons, vous avez. Ils ont, elles ont. The verb avoir is not just limited to age. You can say any other thing you possess with this verb. For example, nous avons un livre means we have a book. Or tu as 2 pommes means you have 2 apples. And of course, for the age, you use it too. Like, j'ai 25 ans. I am 25 years old. Or, elle a 4 ans. She is 4 years old. I repeat again. Nous avons un livre. Tu as 2 pommes. J'ai 25 ans. Elle a 4 ans. Tu as quel âge? How old are you? J'ai 30 ans. I'm 30 years old. But after asking the age, you might want to know the birthday. In French, you have several options. When were you born in French is tu es né quand? Tu es né quand? Or vous êtes né quand? Vous êtes né quand? Tu es né quand is an informal and friendly question, but vous êtes né quand is a formal question. Plus, when you are speaking to a man, you write just N plus E accent aigu is the masculine form. And when you are speaking to a woman, you add an extra O too because it is the feminine form. Tu es né quand? Or vous êtes né quand means when were you born? Or you can say when is your birthday? When is your birthday in French is quelle est ta date de naissance? Quelle est ta date de naissance is a friendly question, and quelle est votre date de naissance is a formal question. Quelle est ta date de naissance? Quelle est votre date de naissance? I repeat again. Tu es né quand? Vous êtes né quand? Quelle est ta date de naissance? Quelle est votre date de naissance? And the answer, for example, is je suis né le 22 mai en 1896. Je suis né le 22 mai en 1896 means I was born on the 22nd of May, 1896. And as, for example, as I'm a woman, I write N, E accent aigu, plus E. It is the feminine form. Another example is je suis né le 3 janvier en 2013. Je suis né le 3 janvier en 2013. That means I was born on the 3rd of January 2013. Je suis né le 3 janvier en 2013. Now you can have a simple dialogue about age and birthday. Elle a quel âge? How old is she? Elle a 40 ans. She is 40 years old. Elle est née quand? When was she born? Elle est née le 6 décembre en 1983. She was born on the 6th of December 1983. Elle a quel âge? Elle a 40 ans. Elle est née quand? Elle est née le 6 décembre en 1983. Il a quel âge? How old is he? Il a 90 ans. He is 90 years old. Il est né quand? When was he born? Il est né le 4 février en 1933. He was born on the 4th of February 1933. Il a quel âge? Il a 90 ans. Il est né quand? Il est né le 4 février en 1933. Happy birthday in French means joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. So, let's take a look at our dialogue again. Bonjour. Bonjour, tu vas bien? Oui, je suis très bien parce que aujourd'hui, c'est mon anniversaire. Waouh, joyeux anniversaire! Merci beaucoup. Donc, tu as quel âge aujourd'hui? Aujourd'hui, j'ai 24 ans. Tu es né quand exactement? Je suis né le 27 juillet en 1997. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are interested in learning French from the beginning, don't forget to subscribe this channel and check the playlist French for Beginners. See you later!